La mariposa, in English, the butterfly, symbolizes transformation, freedom, and hope. So it's a fitting name for the peer-led center here.
But I'm trying, and I'm trying, and I'm trying. Maybe one of these days I'm going to get it.
Where showing up
That is a testament to your determination to get better and to beat this thing.
and being vulnerable
But when I go out the door, I have to face the real world.
is where healing begins.
Go out, there's people has the same thing like I do.
Yeah.
This is where we need to be.
I've been a client for a couple years, and I can definitely say that the staff have saved my life.
It's here we also met Twyla Oliva, who has bipolar disorder.
They fluctuate between depressive episodes and sometimes kind of normal periods and then manic episodes.
Twyla had been seeing psychiatrists in the private sector since she was 16. But as she got older, things took a turn to a point where she could no longer work, losing her health insurance. A year and a half ago, the mother of two turned to MHID, which she says has kept her out of the hospital.
I always have support, and it made my family so relieved when I came back from my intake and explained all that to them and wrote the crisis line number up on the board in our living room.
Making that call for help is the first step, but it can also be the most challenging.
One of the gaps that we started seeing is that there's people that are going to the ERs, inundating the ERs, when in reality, if they were just able to get that quick care, that quick access to a physician, along with the case management, it would deflect from having to do that.
MHID is one of 39 mental health authorities in the state of Texas, offering a myriad of programs depending on one's needs or treatments. They see around 10,000 people a year and say there's room to serve more.
They come to a place where they're understood. It's a safe place for them.
My self-respect, I felt it. I felt it like.
Many of the services offered through MHID are available on a sliding fee scale. They will not refuse services to those who qualify based on the inability to afford them. We'll, of course, have their information on our website later tonight.
All right, good stuff. Thank you, Leslie.